here in the Ponderosa pine woodland, which is dominated by these pine trees called, can you guess it? Ponderosa pine. The variety we have here in the Coconino is Pinus ponderosa brachyptera. Decorating the Ponderosa pine forest are numerous wildflowers and grasses. What's this? Bouteloua gracilis, also known as blue grama grass, or puppytail grass, or eyelash grass, because of these fun little things, these fun little seed clusters. This here, Quercus gambili, a smaller deciduous tree known as gamble oak, grows amongst the Ponderosa pines between 6,000 and 9,000 feet. And just check out how big and nice this one is.
Arizona is home to the mule deer, a species that embodies the American West. They are recognizable by their large mule-like ears and their brown-gray coats. They live in diverse habitats from the desert to the mountains. Their adaptability is key to their survival because they feed on all sorts of plants such as mesquite, and they are the most active at nighttime. Mule deer grace a couple of growing challenges such as wildfires, which affect their homes as well as their ability to find food. And their other thing is their human development on the overpasses over highways. Too much human intervention in those areas make it hard and make it scary for the mule deer to go over, so sometimes they end up avoiding them, disrupting their natural behavior and routines. Though despite all these different pressures, mule deer continue to endure because of their adaptability, and it is our duty to continue with thoughtful conservation and respect for their survival. Thank you.
Hello, I am here to talk to you about annual temperatures and annual precipitation. So the climate is semi-dry with warm summers and freezing winters. In the summer, we see highs of 90 degrees Fahrenheit and 32 degrees Celsius, and lows of 45 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 7 degrees Celsius, while winters dip down to 10 degrees Fahrenheit, which is negative 12 degrees Celsius, with temperatures reaching about 55 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 13 degrees Celsius. Now, this zone receives about 23 inches of precipitation annually, or about 58 centimeters. Now, about 40 to 50% of that rainfall is from our monsoon season. Monsoons means that the tropical moist air gets shifted to our dry desert areas. Now, during these monsoon seasons, we are seeing approximately 7 to 8 inches of rain, or 18 to 20 centimeters of that rain. With the balance of rainfall, sunshine, and snow, we see one of the most diverse ecosystems in this life zone.
Ponderosas are remarkably fire-resistant due to their bark being amazing insulators from the heat. Low-intensity fires regularly clear out smaller trees and brush, which makes a healthy, diverse, park-like forest. Unfortunately, these forests face serious ecological threats. Due to centuries of fire suppression and climate challenges, Ponderosa forests have become extremely dense. This makes them vulnerable to high-intensity forest fires and bark beetle infestations. With denser forests, bark beetle populations flourish, but Ponderosa trees pay for it. Bark beetles are tiny insects that attack dying and stressed trees. Trees weakened by drought or fire are more susceptible to these beetles. They leave the tree as dry, dead wood, which is perfect fuel for the wildfire fires. Efforts like thinning forests and control burns are helping to reduce fuel loads, but the cycle with fires and beetles are worsening the forest health, which makes managing it very difficult.